What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for a preview and tasting of the Seven Seas Food Festival. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go! And we have our first booth over here for preview. Alright, so we have new menu items. Giant tempura prawns and crispy pork belly bites. Alrighty guys, so first up we're going to be trying the pork belly and giant tempura shrimp. You ready?
Yeah, ready.
I am starving Marvin right now, like so hungry. Go ahead and give it a bite.
Alright, I'm going to do the tempura shrimp first.
Okay.
Alright.
Grab one and then we'll step back just a little bit over here.
These are colossal shrimp, I'm just going to say that.
That's
so,
massive.
They are not skipping, so.
While she is having a bite of that, I'll let her give it an explanation in a second. I'm going to put a little lemon on mine. That looks amazing.
Okay, so the batter is very light, which is awesome, not too heavy batter. Shrimp is very, you know, like I said, very large, very juicy, not too dried out. The sauce kind of reminds me of, you know, like kind of like a Thousand Island, very spicy, that kind of thing, but not too overly spicy. I definitely really enjoy this.
I would say for me, I didn't find it really spicy at all, but that's just kind of me. The lemon was nice on there when I put it on there, but again, the batter is really light. Really strong hint of the shrimp as soon as you bite into it. It's amazing. So next up we have the pork belly though. The pork belly looks absolutely incredible.
Move that over.
So I mean, just look at that. That's a giant amount right there. So you gotta get that piece.
All right, and by the way, it comes with rice. Looks like scallions too.
Yep.
Okay. Very good.
That is so good.
Yeah.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
It's so juicy, tender. I wish I had more of that.
Yeah, so the issue sometimes with pork bellies can be really dried out. This has no issue with that. It also has, what is that, kind of a teriyaki?
Yeah, it's like a teriyaki glaze, I think, on that one. It's pretty good.
Yeah, and let me try some of the rice too. Let's make sure, you know, this guy's not dried out.
Yeah.
Perfect. So, yeah, this is really good to me.
Okay. All right, so next up, we have white chocolate raspberry cheesecake waffle cone. Oh my. Yes, please. Just look at that thing. All right, so next up is, ooh, buddy. So cheesecake raspberry waffle cone. I'll let you do the honors. I've had something similar when I was at the Christmas celebration, and it was probably my favorite thing of the entire event. So go ahead and give that a try.
Well, I do love cheesecake.
Yep.
You love ice cream.
Yep.
Okay.
And it's got a little bit of chocolate on there as well. Of course, it's got the whipped cream. Mine. Give it to me.
I don't want to.
Is it really that good?
Wow. That is so rich. That's so creamy. It's got the whipped cream on top, which adds that extra, like, je ne sais quoi. Like, that is so good.
It's so good. And it's kind of a hot day here, so it's like 82 degrees.
Yeah.
And it's cold serve, so it's really good.
Yeah.
You gotta have some more.
It's good because it's like you can carry it around for a while because it doesn't like instantly melt, which I love. So
Yeah.
let me take another bite here.
That's one of my favorite things about some of these events that you see, food festivals, is the grab and go option.
Yeah.
So basically you could take this and just start walking around the park. All right, so the next up is going to be the Korean barbecue lamb ribs, and we also have goat cheese croquettes. So let's try them out. You can see right there. Looks amazing. Alrighty guys, so the next one up, we have the lamb rib and a goat cheese croquette, I believe is how you pronounce it. I'm probably butchering it, whatever. Yeah, good enough. And I guess we'll try out with the goat cheese one, so try that.
Very nice. I haven't had goat cheese in a while. Let's see.
It's almost like a honey glaze to it, almost, or something like that.
It's like oozing out of here.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Whoa. Okay.
It like exploded all over the place. I was like,
okay, hold on.
this does not look like something that would be clean. It's gonna get messy all over the
You're gonna
place.
have to like stop and eat this guy.
Yeah, this one you're gonna have to stop. Come on, get it.
I'm sorry.
Come on,
I'm under
you
pressure.
can do it.
Okay, I got it.
It smells amazing right now. Absolutely smells amazing.
Okay. So, goat cheese has kind of a strong flavor, and yeah, this has a very strong flavor. Very herby, but it's good because that the coating is very like buttery, flaky. I do like it. Yeah, it's like what you said. It's kind of like a honey glaze on it. I like it, but you know, not like my favorite, but you know, it's a good little snack.
I would say not every food item is going to be everybody's cup of tea. Me though, I really like it. Goat cheese, it's not too strong in my opinion. The honey though is really, really good. I like the crispness from the fry, and just all together it's amazing. So I really like it. And then next up we have the rib.
Yeah.
This is not going to be easy to eat. We do have napkins on hand.
I found one.
So we do have one on hand. Go ahead and give it a try, but good luck.
All right.
Yeah, I don't know. So the issue with it right
It looks
now
like
is
a
lighting.
nice
If I stand
barbecue
directly
glaze to
over
it as
like
well.
I need to.
Looks
The sun
super
is hitting
tender,
me
at
and
least
just
to
casting
me.
a shadow over it.
And then
And
let's
shooting,
see.
like, from the
So
side, but it's not
right
really what I
here, take a little bite. Hopefully not get it all up in the beard.
I think that what
If
we
it
do.
gets in the beard, I'm sorry.
A video of some flavor. I just wanted to get a photo of everything in case we don't go out there and give it. You know what I mean?
That's good.
That is finger licking good.
I like
It's
it.
really, really good. It comes with almost like a slaw of some sort.
I think so.
I think what they have.
That rib is really good. If I had to choose between the two,
Cool. Sounds good to me.
I'd probably say
right
that.
I
ahead,
would too.
my
Yeah.
man.
The sauce is really good on that one. Do you want to try the coleslaw? I'm not a big fan of coleslaw.
Yeah, I'll
so
try it. Just so that we have a full rounded idea of how this whole dish is. It's good. That's all I can say. It's really good. It complements the beef. Again, the beef, or not the beef, the lamb has a nice sweetness to it, and then you get kind of a tartness from the slaw. So really good though. Highly recommend. Next up is going to be lobster white cheddar Kraft mac and cheese. We also have jackfruit sloppy joes. Yum. Hello guys, how you doing? That looks amazing. All right, so we've tried a lot of different options, and there's still probably over 200 different more inside the park, but the next one's up. We have a lobster mac and cheese white cheddar Kraft, and then we have a jackfruit sloppy joe. Interesting.
All right.
So go ahead, man the fork, and give it a go.
Let's try the lobster mac and cheese before.
And I'm gonna try the sloppy joe. They do provide just a little tiny pickle too, which is nice.
It's a tiny bit.
Pickle's good. What do you think about the lobster mac and cheese, white cheddar Kraft?
That's really good. I love mac and cheese. This is very creamy. There's like a little bit of like breadcrumbs in there. The lobster is very tender.
Good.
I love it. Like with mac and cheese, you know, it's mac and cheese, but you add that lobster for that, you know, extra touch. I love it.
Nice. And then I'm gonna hand you.
Trade it?
Yep, we're
You
gonna
just
trade.
left the pickle. I love that.
Yep, I left her a little bit.
left a little
So again, jackfruit sloppy joe is what she's gonna be trying, and I'm gonna try this right now.
That's a big bite. I like it. What's your thoughts?
I like lobster. I just wasn't expecting the seafood to hit me right in the face. You know, it's really good, but it's really creamy with the mac and cheese. Again, the breadcrumbs are not too much, just enough to kind of give it some texture to it. They do have some herbs and spices in there, which is really nice, but it's not too overpowering. I do like it,
Yeah.
but again, it's not everybody's cup of tea, every single food item. Go ahead and try that one.
Alright. So I know a lot of like vegetarians there, but I do like the jackfruit. They say it stimulates like meat and stuff, so let's try it and see.
Yep. It looks like a real sloppy joe with meat and everything else like that.
Okay. Woo. That's actually not bad. You can definitely tell it's not
not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It tastes like a sloppy Joe, like a real regular one.
Yeah.
It's funny though because you get the hint of the sauce, almost like a tomato towards the end of it.
Yeah.
And it's got the spice right then.
Yeah.
But overall, the bun itself is super soft,
Yeah.
which is great about it. And then as far as the jackfruit,
Yeah.
I think it's a hit. I think it's
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah.
Between the two, I'd probably choose the jackfruit sloppy Joes on it.
Yeah.
Yep. So good stuff. All right, so here we have a display table with some other food items. As you can see, lobster, white cheddar Kraft mac and cheese. We had the Korean barbecue lamb ribs, giant tempura prawns, jackfruit sloppy Joe. We have crispy pork belly bites, white chocolate raspberry cheesecake cone, and goat cheese croquettes. Awesome. Well guys, that's going to do it for our update here from SeaWorld Orlando for the preview of the Seven Seas Food Festival. Incredible food, incredible drinks, and I do want to say thank you to SeaWorld for inviting us out. Of course, we're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.